The following products are based on initial specifications and a tentative release schedule. Final product features and release dates are subject to change without notice. Section 2 Software. Welcome to our overview of Geovision products for 2025. This is part 2 of the webinar. Let's move on to our software solutions. Starting with the VMS. VMS V20 is free for up to 64 Geovision cameras and supports up to a maximum of 256 camera channels. It offers 16-channel PVD or up to 64-channel PVD with 1 GVAI accelerator module and includes built-in face recognition. Users can monitor the system status in real time through the new Event List UI and efficiently search events using the AI-driven AI Query feature. In AI Query, events can be searched by face, AI event type and the object attributes of people and vehicles. For people, results can be filtered by age group, gender, clothing color, and whether the person was carrying a bag or wearing a hat. For vehicles, results can be filtered by the vehicle type, color, and brand. Please note that object attributes are only available when VMS V20 is used in conjunction with Geovision G-Series cameras. Smart Motion Search has been updated to support searching recordings by people and vehicle detection. Users can draw a detection area on recorded footage, and the VMS will quickly search and highlight instances of PVD events in the area. To safeguard individuals' privacy and ensure compliance with local privacy regulations, VMS V20 now includes a face mosaic function. Additionally, users can now customize the shape of privacy mask areas and apply a mosaic effect instead of a solid black privacy mask, allowing them to see movement and activity in the masked region while maintaining privacy. With VMS V20, face enrollment is now easier than ever. Users can enroll faces from multiple sources, including live view, playback, face recognition events in AI Query, and the Face Manager tool. This flexibility ensures seamless and efficient face management. Other features of VMS V20 include support for IP speakers and decoder box, the ability to trigger I/O and IP speakers from AI events such as PVD or intrusion, and the capability to search face recognition events using a picture. Next, AI Guard. AI Guard supports 32-channel video recording with 16-channel PVD, which can be expanded to 32 channels of PVD by installing an AI accelerator module. For AI Analytics, it supports a maximum of 16-channel Basic Analytics or 8-channel Advanced Analytics. Vehicle Attribute Recognition is designed for parking lots and car wash projects. Its capabilities include license plate recognition, vehicle color recognition, vehicle type classification, vehicle brand recognition, and wait time tracking. Users can input information for authorized vehicles in the AI Guard database. When the captured information matches the database, access to the parking lot or car wash will be granted automatically. Authentication can be set to either single or multi-factor, providing flexibility and enhanced security. Queued traffic tracks the wait time and number of vehicles in queue. Users can configure alarms to trigger based on predefined wait time and queue length thresholds, ensuring timely responses to congestion and improving overall efficiency. This feature is also suitable for parking lots/car wash projects. Like VMS V20, AI Guard's AI Query offers users the ability to search events by face, AI event type as well as the object attributes of people and vehicles. Users can left-click on the search results and playback the associated video recording directly in the AI Query window. Other AI analytics that will be showcased this year include OCR for shipping container codes, personal protective equipment detection, fall detection, and loitering detection with LPR. Edge Recording Manager. For Edge Recording Manager, keyboard shortcuts can now be enabled under the Fast Key Config menu. Multi-user accounts with different access levels, and account management has also been added. Event rules allow users to schedule IP speaker playback or output triggers. The schedule can be set for a specific time and date or a recurring weekly schedule such as every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Playback now shows a preview window when connected to VMS, recording server, and AI Guard hosts, making it easier for users to find relevant footage. Users can schedule recording backups in ERM. This feature is particularly useful for backing up footage when the system is not in use, alleviating concerns related to system loading. Edge Recording Manager has also added support for IP speakers and decoder boxes, the option to reset passwords via email verification, and support for 4K monitors. Control Center. The new AI Event Filter in AI Watch lets users quickly filter results by people, vehicle, and AI event type. Moreover, the UI has been unified with VMS V20 and AI Guard version 2.2 to include a built-in player for quick playback of selected events, providing a more consistent user experience across our different software's offerings. Centralized face enrollment allows users to register faces and synchronize face data across multiple connected hosts from the convenience of a central location. Users can also search for face recognition events across hosts using a face picture. The new Control Center VMD integration mode synchronizes the Control Center VMD display with the decoder box optimal display to show motion, PVD or AI events as they occur. This feature not only eliminates the need to set up a separate PC for remote monitoring but does so without compromising real-time event monitoring capabilities. Other features of Control Center version 4.3 include fast key shortcuts, scheduling IP speaker playback and output triggers, preview window on playback timeline, and scheduling recording backups when connecting to VMS, recording server and AI Guard hosts. ASManager. ASManager supports the creation of multiple access groups to accommodate the schedules of different users and setting up special days for deviations from the regular schedule. In the event of an emergency, users can trigger a lockdown through ASManager or remotely via the GV Lockdown client or GV Access mobile app. ASManager now includes support for creating 100 special cards with individualized lock reset and held open times, and the ability to set a door to force unlock for a specified time before automatically locking. Moreover, users with more than one device group can copy holiday, time zone, and weekly schedules across device groups to avoid having to set them up from scratch. The system also offers password error checking to show remaining login attempts and wait time after failed attempts, preventing brute force attacks and unauthorized access. ASManager's flexibility, user-friendly interface, robust functionality and ability to integrate with video surveillance make it an excellent choice for a variety of settings, including school campuses, commercial buildings, and industrial facilities. Enterprise. Enterprise centralizes user credential management for large-scale installations and can be integrated with Active Directory user databases. Additionally, Enterprise offers extensive remote host configuration and maintenance functions, such as Remote Config, a built-in remote desktop tool. It supports remote camera firmware updates, Geovision software patching, and software version updates. Furthermore, Enterprise enables remote host recording setting configuration and remote live view display layout configuration. SNVR and HD DVR connections are also supported. By simplifying and consolidating the configuration and maintenance of host software for large-scale installations, Enterprise saves time and makes it easy for users to keep the surveillance system running in top condition. Monitoring Center. Traditional video monitoring centers rely heavily on human operators to manually monitor, detect, and report alarm events. This approach can result in fatigue, human error, and slower emergency response times, particularly during long shifts or when monitoring multiple screens. AI monitoring centers aim to overcome these challenges by utilizing AI-powered video analytics, which can process vast amounts of video data more efficiently and accurately, thereby enhancing security and operational efficiency. For AI monitoring center solutions, we currently offer two options. Option 1 utilizes Center V2 Pro, while Option 2 uses a new cloud-based remote monitoring solution called Cloud Video Watch. Let's take a closer look at the structure of Option 1, Center V2 Pro. Option 1. Center V2 Pro supports VMS V17, V18, V20 and CB Pro hosts and is organized into two software structures. One for VMS V17 and one for VMS V18, V20 and CB Pro hosts. When integrating VMS V17, VMS connects to dispatch server for channel licensing and load balancing. Video events are distributed to Center V2 Pro clients for processing. Center V2 Pro automatically forwards these pixel-based motion events to the AI Inference Server, AIS, software for PVD motion filtering. The filtered PVD event results are then sent back to Center V2 Pro for review by the monitoring center operator. AI Inference Server, or AIS for short, requires a GVAI accelerator module for people-vehicle detection. Depending on the type of AI accelerator module used, a single AI accelerator module with an M.2 interface can process up to 80 frames per second, while a module with a PCIe interface can handle up to 250 frames per second. Users can access the AIS web interface to query processed events. They can also use the PVD test function to upload sample images for testing and fine-tuning the AIS PVD detection settings. PVD events filtered by AIS will have a red label to alert the Center V2 operator. AIS adds PVD capability to VMS V17 hosts connected to Center V2 Pro and is great for existing customers that already have VMS V17 installed on-site. By reducing false alarms through PVD event filtering, AIS decreases the workload on monitoring center operators, ultimately improving decision-making and reaction times for alarm events. The structure for VMS V18, V20, and CB Pro is similar to VMS V17 but even simpler. Motion, PVD, and AI events are sent to dispatch server V20, where they are distributed to available Center V2 Pro operators for processing. Option 2 utilizes the new cloud-based remote monitoring solution, Cloud Video Watch. VMS V18 and Geovision AI IP cameras connected to Cloud Bridge Pro send motion, PVD, and AI events to the Cloud Video Watch service. Cloud Video Watch evenly distributes these events to monitoring center operators for processing via the operator viewer client software. The events can then be escalated to supervisors for further review and guidance. Using the operator viewer client, operators can monitor live views, playback recordings, and view event snapshots. They can also complete alarm reports by entering details such as the event type and urgency level. Operators can manually mark objects of interest or use the initial PVD or AI event detection results. Once the supervisor receives the operator's case, they can update the case details and status, and close the case upon completing the review. Monthly reports, including statistics on event types and case statuses, are available for review and export. These reports also feature visual representations, such as pie charts and bar charts. Users can also browse incident report logs to access detailed information on each case. With centralized host, operator, and supervisor account management, load balancing, support for PVD and AI events, dedicated operator and supervisor modes for event management, and the ability to trigger I/O box alerts and IP speakers, the cloud-based Cloud Video Watch is a highly scalable solution that optimizes the incident processing workflow, making it an ideal choice for monitoring centers. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about our products or have any product-related questions, please visit our website or email us at support@geovision.com.tw. See you next time.